It seems like you're embracing that you recognize we need more supply chains here in our country. It's a reality.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. You know, the UP was really built on that, you know, forestry and mining. And it's certainly a different time. It's not my grandfather's mine that I mentioned he came over and worked in. And so that's part of the reason I'm so excited about the future of the Upper Peninsula is because there is absolutely a recognition of that now. I think nationally, if not more broadly, that we have to take some ownership and control of our own destiny because we've seen the challenge now of China owning all of these critical minerals or them being mined elsewhere and being dependent upon them for pharmaceutical needs. And so how do we ensure that opportunity is here nationally? And the Upper Peninsula is sitting on tremendous opportunity in that respect. You know, Eagle Mine now being owned by Talon in a unique partnership there. Talon, an exploration company, and Lundin, a mining company, now being married. What that opportunity looks like, Copperwood over in the Ironwood area, Wakefield, the Back 40 project in Stevenson. We are rich with these minerals, and so it's part of the reason I'm so bullish about our future. And then I am no subject matter expert around it whatsoever, but continue to hear in Governor Whitmer in, I think, January, February, signed an administrative order looking to put real insight around the opportunity of geologic hydrogen. And the UP is rich in geologic hydrogen. So she signed an executive order that the state needs to better understand how do you regulate it, what are the legal kind of parameters that need to surround it, and then how do you commercialize it. So, you know, things like that I think bode really well for our future.